Today we're going to be having a look at these eBay Promotional LED USB Christmas Lights. So some of you may know what these are, some may not. You can tell by the old eBay logo, they're a few years old now. These are USB LED Christmas lights that eBay gave out to new customers who opened an account way back in the day. I opened an account many years ago and I was lucky to receive one of these just by chance. So, have a little look inside. And there they are. These are extremely rare. Very hard to come by, also very hard to come by in good condition. So let me get these untangled. So they are little soft plastic letters that take an LED. See the resistor on there? This one's red. And they, if I turn it around the right way, they spell out the word eBay in the old font. You get a nice bit of holly leaf and berries in between. It's just tied on and held on with some wire. You get the second set of lights, it's spelt twice, and on the end another long piece with some more holly and berries. It's got clear braided flex and it comes with a USB-A for you to plug into your computer. Need an actual USB power supply because everything's USB-C now. There you go. That was weird. That was a bit of a delay for them to turn on. That must have been the power supply. So each LED is coloured to the correct letter. So you get a red LED for the E, blue for B, yellow for A, green for Y. Usually these days they're all one colour, either warm white or cool white. But yeah, this was always going to be a short little video, but just for us to share it because Christmas lights. And I've pretty much bought 90% of my Christmas lights on eBay, so it's any act. That yellow one seems a bit dim, but it still works. But yeah, these are extremely rare. I found one set on eBay for about £30 posted, overpriced, and it's actually missing one of the letters. Well, I've had these out a couple of times, there's not really many places you can put them, but they're nice if you're a collector or just interested in such things. But there you go, eBay LED Promotional Christmas Lights. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.